Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You are ready to move on to your orange belt. Now remember, we do have to go in order. For some reason, some students find the orange belt easier than the yellow belt. Personally, I was one of those students. So I understand, but we do have to go in order. It's part of life. I've had a lot of people asking me that lately. Anyway, so we're going to get started, go over our counting, and get this thing ready to learn here. First thing we noticed, just like we did in the other two songs, is, oh, hey, look, that's our friend Mrs. G clef, or the treble clef. That's telling us we're going to be using every good boy does fine as the rhyme for the lines, and there's a face in the space. Okay, but we're going to skip on over her right now and move on over to this 4-4 here, which stands for, everybody together, get ready, 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets the beat. That's 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets the beat. And hey, look, our very first note is in fact a quarter note. So we're going to give it beat 1. And the next note is a quarter note, so it gets beat 2. And the next note's a quarter note, so it gets beat 3. Next note's a quarter note, so it gets beat 4. Then we're going to hop over our little bar line here, move on to the next note, which is another quarter note. We're back to beat 1 again because it's a new measure. We've got beat 2 here on this second quarter note. Now we have a half note. Half note gets 2 beats, so we're going to give it beats 3 and 4, right? Then we come over here, we've got beat 1 under this quarter note, beat 2 under this quarter note, and beats 3 and 4 under that half note because he gets 2 beats. Then beats 1, 2, 3, and 4, and down to the next line. Another quarter note, 1, another quarter note, 2, another quarter note, 3, and another one, 4, and then our 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our rhythm from the yellow belt. And then we have beat 1, 2, beat 3, and don't say and 4 because this 4 goes over here under this note. And then we have beats 1 and 2. And right here, we have a rest. Whoops. So we don't actually make sound on beats 3 and 4. That's a half note rest. So he's the same amount of time as a half note, but we don't make sound. So that's beats 3 and 4 there. And I think now we are ready to move on to tizzling in the next video.